Okay, I'm excited for my first call today. I can't wait to get into cold calling. Hello, Mr. Seller? Are you the owner of 123 Main Street? Would you like to sell the house? No? I quit. Cold calling sucks. Cold calling's stupid. I gotta go on Facebook and tell everyone cold calling's the worst. Guys, is that you? What's up, guys? Zach in here. And a lot of you guys out here might cold call for like an hour or two and just say, you know what? I suck at cold calling. I'm terrible at it. That there's no way I can be good at cold calling. Well, in today's video, I'm really going to break down exactly how to cold call the right way and explain to you why you're not having success in real estate wholesaling when it comes to cold calling. So before we get into the video, guys, remember you need to smash that like button and subscribe to get the most free value from me. Let's get in the clip. Let's see what else we got. We got Andrew. Andrew.
Hey, Zach. How's it going?
I'm doing great, man. I'm jazzed up here to help the people out. I'm doing great. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. Thank you for taking me.
Of course, man. How can I help you out with cold calling? Do you want to do a role play? What do you want? Let me know. How can I help you?
Basically, I just had a few questions because, I've been cold calling for the past few weeks, and I just haven't really had any very much success, I guess you could say. I've been using like prop stream list, the code violations, the tax lien list, and all that. I honestly haven't. I only have had one person say like, yes, they're trying to sell their house. I am doing it in St. Petersburg, Florida, that area. And I don't know, it just seems like really saturated. Like, I'm calling people up, and it seems like it's the first time I'm calling them, and they're just, pissed to hear from me. They're basically just, it seems like people are calling them like 5-10 times a day. So I'm just trying to figure out what other lists I have basically that I could use. And what you
right
think I could use.
Yeah, bro. It's not a list. St. Petersburg's hard, man. Hillsborough would be a lot easier to do. Like you go out way more out east, Don't go. I mean, the farthest out east I'd go is like Plant City over there and like out west there. But focus on Pasco, Hernando, Citrus, Sumter, Lake, or Polk if you can go that far if you want, or even Manatee County. Manatee County, Sarasota kind of gets a little harder. But Pasco and Hernando and Citrus, those would be the more of counties I'd be focusing on. There's a lot more wholesaling deals out there versus saturated markets. St. Pete's hard, man. Be honest with you, it's a tough market. I would go around those areas. You're so close to deals. It's just there's a lot of saturation. So I'd be very careful with that.
Yeah, definitely. So you think I would have better, basically better results going to like different counties rather than staying in St. Petersburg? Because I'm open to really going all the way to Plant City, like you said. I have houses like from St. Pete to Plant City, actually in both cities. So I'm able to go anywhere in between. But I've lived in St. Pete my whole life, so I just know that area the best. I was kind of thinking to start there, but it just seems so saturated. I don't know if it's worth like I've already spent almost $5,000 in marketing, and I barely have 5 like solid leads.
Bro, all right, you have houses in Plant City?
Well, I have a house like to just like a parent's house.
Okay. Well, I'll tell you right now in Plant City, go to Parksdale Farmers Market, get a strawberry shortcake, and drive for dollars. That's what I do.
Yeah. What about for the
Shakes are
driving
pretty
for
good.
dollars I've done in like St. Pete area?
Call them.
Yeah, call them
first. And then if you don't get good results, go try a better market. I mean, guys, for everyone watching this, Plant City's what, 30 minutes, 45 minutes? Traffic's kind of sucks, so.
Yeah, it's not too bad of a drive. I could definitely get over there and work over there.
And also, they have an amazing, like the best strawberry shortcake ever, and then shakes there. But that's a joke. I guess an insider joke. But I can tell you right now, I drive for dollars there. Plant City is kind of weird, you know. There's some nicer houses, then you got like country.
Oh, definitely.
So like the decent area, like decent enough to wholesale. You got to know the right markets, obviously. But yeah, I think you do pretty well doing that.
Okay, awesome, awesome. And then basically, so I've been using a dialer, or batch dialer.
Okay.
Um, I'm having the problem that I'm coming up as scam likely, like pretty much with all my calls. I don't know, like if that's a good or a bad thing. I mean, I personally feel like it's a bad thing.
How many
Uh,
calls are you making?
I'm trying to do like 1,000 a day.
Yeah, I'd switch up the phone numbers.
Yeah, switch up the phone numbers. You think
Yeah.
that would kind of solve the problem?
Yes. How long have you been calling 1,000 a day?
The past 3 weeks probably.
Yeah, I would probably do it every week or every other week.
Okay.
Change up the phone numbers. Put a phone number kind of on pause. Put it back in.
Yeah,
Um,
because I feel like it just kind of puts me off on a bad foot right off the
yeah,
bat.
you're gonna. How many lines are you dialing with?
Uh, four, yeah,
4.
yeah,
Yeah, I would have at least 10 numbers. I would say 10 or 12 just to rotate it. I would say 20 to 30, but I don't know how much money you're looking to spend. But I'd start switching up phone number. That's a hidden cost people don't know. If you want to get the dialer going well, that's probably what I'd be doing.
Okay,
Make sure it's in
awesome.
the same area code, but you know that. So
Yeah, yeah. And then my last question. So I can't really get like the actual addresses for the fire damage properties. They're kind of giving me like a grid number. Is that something that you've ran into a lot of the time? Can you like ask them to be more specific or
grid number. Do grid numbers translate to the actual parcel ID?
no, it's more like sections of housing, like housing sections, like a block pretty much.
That's all they're giving you.
Yeah.
Well, I'd request a for I do for Freedom of Information Act. I would still be calling. I'd probably honestly be calling the each individual firehouse too, because one's gonna pop, and you'll do well doing that. Or see if you can find it. I mean, that's it.
Yeah, definitely.
You gotta keep calling, man. Just the more persistent you are, which is good. That means probably no one else is getting that. So you gotta be more annoying.
Yeah,
More,
well, I've
more
managed to like get the like active calls, which is like extremely helpful. The only problem is I mean, they only pop up for like 15 minutes and then they're gone.
yeah.
So I can't really record them unless I don't know, I got somebody to like make a bot or got a
How do you
VA
get
to
them?
just
How do you get them?
I mean, I just physically I got it's pinellascounty.org/active calls
Oh,
and
okay. You're doing
they
like a scanner.
yeah, exactly, exactly.
Yeah, you
And
do free
then
scanners. Like I get it. Yeah, that's tough. There's some scanners people that probably have the addresses. I'd look into that and just kind of seeing. Um, yeah, I want to do a bot. I want to get a VA for that. I would
yeah.
definitely keep calling it. I think you'll get it.
Okay, awesome. And then one more question I actually had. So how often should I be calling these lists? Because you know, like I don't want to, you know, piss these people off either. I
Always
know I want to like just keep me in their mind, you know, but like I just don't want to annoy the hell out of them to the point where they're like, don't call me again.
able. ABAL. Always be adding lists.
Eh,
I don't know. Oh, just
Yeah.
always be adding lists.
Okay.
Always be adding lists. Okay. Never stop adding your list because there's always more government lists to go after. And that's what I'd be doing. Like you just keep constantly adding the list. Maybe you could put a list that you cold call this month, give it a month off, and just the list you just added, cold call that one.
Okay.
Add more
Awesome.
leads on there.
And then do you call your list like I don't know, say you call a list once, how long do you keep
Do a
calling that
month
list
every quarter.
for?
It depends how big the list is
Yeah.
and the type of list.
Okay, makes a lot of sense.
Oh yeah,
That's about it. I appreciate your time.
of course. Probates, code violations, whatever one you want to do. I'd be going after him though. I think you go some of those outside areas, you're gonna do a lot better. St. Pete's a tough one. I'm telling you, I know a lot of people from out west there. St. Pete's a tough one.
Yeah, dude, it's awful. I
You can do it. It's not worth it. It's better to do the drive.
Yeah, exactly. That's kind of what I was thinking, but I just needed someone to
Like
like
Andrew, I
verify
can go to
it.
Miami. I can go to Miami and start. I'm telling you, I could do Miami. I could do okay. It would suck. Like I don't want to do Miami. It's not a good market overall. So compared to what I can do, so that's where I'm at. You could do St. Pete. It's just there's better ones out there, and they're relatively close.
Yeah, you're just saying like for your time, there's just better areas that you could be hitting.
That's it.
Yeah, makes sense. I'll
No worries.
definitely be trying to hit up to Plant City and all that. I
All right.
appreciate it.
Good luck, man. I appreciate it.
You too. Have a
Thanks,
good one.
Andrew.
Bye.
Thank you so much for watching that video today. If you want more free value for wholesaling real estate, remember to smash that like button and subscribe. Guys, if you want to join the best wholesaling real estate mentorship in the planet and join the wholesaling course that has the most people in it in the history of the world for wholesaling real estate, go to freewholesaling.com. It's free. There's no gimmicks. There's no upsells in this course. It is an absolute free wholesaling course. I've been told to charge thousands and thousands of dollars for it. I give it out for free. So like this video and subscribe. Join the movement for wholesaling real estate and go to freewholesaling.com and join my Wholesaling Houses for Real Facebook group. That is the largest mastermind in the country of like-minded wholesaling entrepreneurs who want to get connected absolutely for free and learn wholesaling real estate. Guys, I'll hope to see you there. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a blessed one.